I had just moved to Calgary, and I knew that I wanted to work in a shelter serving the community, and I decided to go back to school so that I'd be better fit for doing such work. I really wanted to go to a school that was based on online learning, as I had a very busy everyday life and I needed to fit in with my schedule. And Sundance had amazing instructors that I had heard of. I was a little bit nervous at first, but after meeting the instructors and seeing how the classes actually were executed, my nervousness went away completely, and I actually really enjoyed going to class every day. I am currently actually working at a youth shelter here in Calgary. I had very good communication with my instructors. My peers in my classes were all really helpful and really nice and accepting, and just the coursework itself was very enjoyable to do, and I never felt like burdened by any of it. My instructor was really helpful with providing me the encouragement needed so that I could feel like I was able to accomplish everything, and he was really easy to get a hold of and was very helpful when I needed help. I would like to be established in a shelter full-time and be able to potentially go up into the supervisor positions. But even working just as the developmental worker, I'm really enjoying it. So even doing that in 5 years, I could see myself still enjoying it.